The Great Elephant. One day, an elephant wandered into a jungle in search of friends. He saw a monkey on a tree. Elephant said, "Will you be my friend?" Monkey replied, "You are too big. You can't swing from trees like me." Next day, he met a rabbit. "Will you be my friend?" Rabbit replied, "You are too big. You can't play in my burrow." Then he went to Frog. "Please make friendship with me." Frog replied, "How is it possible? You are too big. You can't leap about like me." Elephant was upset. A fox appeared. He asked her, "Will you be happy to have a friend like me?" Fox said, "Sorry, sir, you are too big." The next day, the elephant saw all the animals were running for their lives. Elephant asked the fox, "What is the matter?" Fox replied, "There is a lion and he is trying to kill all of us." All the animals were running away to hide. Meanwhile, the lion kept eating up whoever he could find. The elephant went to the lion and said, "Please, Mr. Lion, don't eat up all these poor animals." Lion replied, "Mind your own business." The elephant had no choice but to give the lion a hefty kick. Frightening lion ran for his life. The elephant ambled back into the jungle and announced the good news to all. All the animals thanked him and said, "You're just the right size to be our friend." Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.